Hey, how's it going, guys? Today we're gonna go over how to draw, okay? It's gonna be simple, easy, step-by-step for beginners, okay? So stick around, it's a very short lesson and we're gonna hop right into the video. Let's get started. Hey, how's it going? Today we're gonna go over how to draw Deadpool versus Wolverine, kind of like the movie that's gonna, show up. So that's pretty much it. We're gonna be headshots, so let's get started over here. I'm gonna go over here and draw Deadpool first. So I'm gonna go over here, kind of like curve for the top of the head. Downward right here for kind of the front of the forehead. Pull out, pull in. Outward here for kind of the nose area. And that's gonna come downward here. Out for the chin. Gonna draw a line right here for the chin on this side. And we're gonna pull a line back here for the jaw. Up here for the back of the jaw. Back there, you're gonna have a little bit of a bend of the mask. Curve over here for the back of the head, downward. Let's go over here to kind of the bottom of the neck here. Don't forget, hit the subscribe, click the bell notification. I post videos once a day, pretty much every single day. So, gonna go downward here, back. Back there as well, so downward for the neck, and I'm gonna pull a line over here for the chest area, but it's gonna vignette down. Okay, out over here. Let's go over here to the eye, right, which is the most important part. Curve back, curve around here, pull up. Gonna go over here, line up. Curve, line underneath. Let's pull a line over here for the seam. Same thing right here, a little bit for the seam. And actually on the neck here, he's got like a little bit of a collar. So I'm gonna go out, curve in, down here. Pulling in over here. A square kind of for that collar, circle, curve over here for the shoulder, down, pull back, and we're gonna just fill this area in right here, this big area, right? That's kind of where it's dark, and that's kind of what we're gonna end up doing for the most part. Let's grab more of a fresh marker here, just to kind of fill it in. Let me know if you're a Deadpool fan. Definitely hit the like if you're a Deadpool fan, or if you do like the idea of the Deadpool versus Wolverine movie that's going to show up, I think in 2023. Definitely let me know. I'm super excited about it. So whew, right on. And we're gonna fill in this as well, this square. And I guess I could kind of fill in some of the shoulder here. Probably not all of it, but some of it. here. I'm just gonna fill in some of this here, and I'm kind of leaving a little bit exposed there, just for maybe a little bit of shine or something. Alrighty. I can put a line underneath the neck in. We're gonna fill that in as well. Just kind of give it some shadow. Alright, so that's Deadpool on this side. Let's go to Wolverine. Stay for the very end because I am gonna color all this. So let's go over here to Wolverine. We'll make him pretty close here. And I'm gonna go kind of match the brows. Back, up for the forehead, curve back. Gonna go over here, out, down, back. Okay. Gonna pull downward here, line, up. Downward over here for the mouth, down, out, down, curve over here, line over here, right here for kind of the teeth area, like he's gritting his teeth, lower lip, curving in, out for the chin, down, back over here for the back of the jaw, line up. Cool. Gonna continue to pull back just a bit here, and what I'm gonna do is I'm actually gonna go in here, find the mask, up, curve, up, down, over here, down. Gonna pull a line over here. The mask goes, and then I'm gonna pull down right here. Alrighty. Let's go into the eye. Just gonna pull down, up, curve. He's got a pretty angry face there. Line over here because it's kind of scrunched up because he's mad. Kind of put a little bit dark into the eye. Same thing over here. Line up a little bit here just to show a little bit of a nostril there flaring. Out over here. Line from the laugh line there where he's angry. Curve over here. Pulling back in. And let's find the back of his neck over here. Back over here. Line underneath. Adam's apple. Downward there. And now we're going to do the shoulder pad that he has. Curve over here. That was like arm going down here. And then he does have this shape over here for line over here for the neck. The other pectoralis are on the corner there. And maybe see the other shoulder. Very, very fun design Wolverine has. Wolverine has a really, really fun design. It's really cool. Line over here. Up. A little bit of cheekbone here. And I would say it's mostly it. Maybe put a little bit of dark over here. But yeah, let's kind of go in here and really flesh these guys out. So far, that's pretty much the drawing part done, but I want to go in and actually color these guys because I think that's kind of the fun part as well, is to kind of have their colors. But yeah, anyways, if you want to learn how to draw in general, definitely check out sketchingeasy.com. That is the main website, so don't forget that. But yeah, thank you so much. Let's start kind of going into the coloring area. Let me put a little thin right here. So I'm going to go into the color now. Alright, let's go over the color of this stuff. I'm gonna go over here Deadpool first. Gonna throw a little bit of I got this red here. I think I do have another red, I'm not sure, but let me see. Oh man, one side of this red is way too dry. Here I got another type of red. This one's a lot better, in my opinion. Gonna go over here. Just kind of cover up a lot of stuff. Sometimes I'll leave a line here for just kind of bits of dimension. I think it kind of gives a little bits of dimension when that happens. But yeah, Deadpool. I am excited about that movie. Yeah, we'll see how it goes. I'm very excited. To see kind of characters cross over and stuff like that. It's always kind of an exciting thing. Pretty much the only thing you have to do is color him red, and then leave that little edge there. Probably leave that part white and color this red. But yeah, real simple stuff on him. Let's go over here to Wolverine. I'm gonna give him a dark. He's got like it's like dark blue, but it kind of looks black, right? So I'm gonna give it a dark blue though. Let's see, ultramarine. Sometimes it might be too dark. I don't want to go too dark with it. It's gonna hide all his features. So maybe I'll go with light blue. I'm gonna go with light blue actually. That might be a little bit more adequate, I think. I completely lost my light blue. Let me see, where is this? Okay, let's go over here. There we go. Boom. More or less when I color this stuff, I leave it in generally flat. I just think it's a good idea. Go. And just kind of, you know, really kind of covering my bases there, and just kind of filling it out. Where's the yellow? And this yellow you cannot see at all, honestly. Let's see where I go here. Alright. So let's go to the blue over here. Blue along the shoulders. And then let's do the yellow for the top here. So uncap this right here, kind of flatten that yellow out, right? Put it over here as well. More or less pretty direct, pretty easy. Alrighty, let's do the flesh color. Kind of covering it up here because I made a bit of a mistake there, so kind of covering it up with maybe some lines that give it a little bit more of a effect. Kind of throw a few more dark lines around here. It's pretty easy process, I think, as far as coloring goes. Do me a huge favor and please hit the subscribe and go check out sketchingeasy.com. It's gonna be there for a while, and it's kind of like a hub for everything. So alright, thank you so much, and I'll see you in the next video. See you later.